To connect your DJI Mic Mini to the DJI Mimo app is fairly simple. You're going to start by opening up either the Play Store or the App Store on your phone. Then you're going to search for the app. Once you see it in the search results, go ahead and install the app onto your phone. And once the app has been installed, go ahead and launch it on your phone. And then just go ahead and go through the process of setting it up by agreeing to the terms and condition as well as the privacy policy. You'll also be prompted to join the experience improvement where you can share your data. So you can choose to join or just select not now. And then the app will prompt you to allow you access to find any devices on the network. So go ahead and allow it so. And then access to Bluetooth. So just go ahead and give the necessary permissions needed. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and connect your microphone to the app. So start by removing the microphone. If you had previously already connected it, it should automatically be picked up. If it's your first time, put it in parent mode and wait for it to connect. So go ahead and remove the mics and then select connect and wait for them to be connected to the app. Once they've been connected, it will bring you to this page that will allow you to customize and adjust the microphones to your liking, such as turning auto off on or off, and all sorts of settings. Then you can just tap on exit to exit the device settings page. And now you can use your DJI Mic Minis with the DJI Mimo app on your phone. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.